These are my groupmates, Kyla Constantino, Miroa Alimagno, and yours truly, Lian Alvarado.
Hello everyone! We're going to present our website prototype. First, this is the front of the website. So, ito yung una mong makikita. The Lifestyle Enterprises, the PLDT application. Then, para ka makapag-browse, actually pwede mo naman siyang i-browse pababa, but para mas specify, so, click mo tong tatlong lines. Then, lalabas na si our offerings, our features, our team, promos, future events, testimonials, and contacts us. Then, first is, i-click mo si our offering. Once na you click the our offerings, it will show the plans. So, we have 1699, we have switch 1299, then as you can see, the link, nagana yung link niya. Once you click the link, you will see or you will magpa-pop up ang kanyang application form. Yeah, this one is the application form. Yan. So, para siyang G-forms, yan. Pero yan na yung application form niya. So, hindi na nila kailangan magsulat or makakausap ng agent to fill up. So, i-click lang nila yung link. Then, may application form na siya. Yan. So, once done, may submit dito na nakalagay niya. Submit. Okay. So, next is the features. Okay. So, once you click the features, lalabas na itong mga features ni website. Okay. Tadaan! Okay. First is the landline. The second is the internet. The third is the Signal TV. The fourth is the modem. The fifth is the Wi-Fi mesh. And the sixth is the prepaid Wi-Fi. So, ito yung mga features na nilagay namin kasi ito yung mga binibenta ni PLDT. So, I'm sure na mas maraming maiengganyo pag nakita nila itong features na ito kasi all-in-one na siya. So, nandito na lahat. Okay? So, next naman, once you again click the three lines, lalabas ito, then the next our team. Pag kinlik mo ang our team, ito na yung lalabas na yun. Yan. So, first is our CEO, Leia Floresca. Then, of course, myself as an admin and encoder. And the third is our regular agent, so Marius Cuertay. Bakit tatlo lang yung empleyado? Kasi sole proprietorship ang owner nito. So, ibig sabihin, mag-isa lang siya. And sa sales naman, hindi mo naman kailangan ng madaming regular. As long as you have the freelance agent, so, carry bumbong na yun. Okay. And the next is the promos. So, once you click the promos, lalabas na siya. So, ito naman yung makikita nyo. Yung promos. Ayan. So, yan. So, promos. So, yan. So, pag na-click mo na siya, promos yan. So, dahil may promos kami ngayong free installation, lalatag na siya, isang ganun siya. So, para siyang banner, hindi, para siyang, what do you call this? Meron kaming tawag doon may tawag kami doon na parang, yun lang yung pwede namin ilagay sa website or FB page dahil yun lang yung need ni marketing kasi kailangan uniform lahat ng promos. So, next naman is the future event. Ayan. So, yung future event naman is, link siya to Facebook and to the TikTok. Once nyo kinlik sa future events, so, lalabas yung link ni Facebook at ni TikTok. So, dun sa link na yun, dun na malalaman kung ano yung mga events for PLDT. Okay? And the last, testimonials. Once you click the testimonials, so lalabas lahat yan. So, kung sino yung mga nagkaroon ng feedback, it's negative or positive, nakalagay naman doon lahat. So, magpa-pop up din yun. Ayan. So, and the last is the contact us. Yan. So, makikita mo if you want to reach the website or the agent. So, you can put your name, email message, and submit. Then, once na-submit na yun, makikita ni admin yun sa kanyang website, sa kanyang account, then magre-reply na si admin or kung sino man may hawak ng website. That's it. Thank you. Hope you enjoy our prototype.